welcome to the first series on Hannah's Healthy Movements. My name is Dr. Hannah Wallace-Callan, and I'm a physical therapist. Our first topic I will be guiding us through is on diaphragmatic breathing. It's a 4-part series, so stay tuned. You may be thinking, why do I need to learn how to breathe? I do it without thinking about it. We breathe on average 23,000 times a day, so really, it's a good thing we don't have to think about it. Just like there are different ways to run, there are different ways to breathe. Some are more beneficial than others. This series is going to go through how breathing works, chest breathing versus abdominal breathing, and how you can optimize the way you are breathing. Please note that if you have a pre-existing pulmonary or cardiovascular condition, this may not be for you. Breathing, or ventilation, is the process of moving air into and out of our lungs. We inhale to take in oxygen for our cellular function, and we exhale carbon dioxide. Breathing is regulated by our respiratory control centers and our autonomic nervous system. Within this system, we have receptors throughout our body. These receptors can detect imbalances. When there are imbalances, our system tells us to either breathe faster, slower, deeper, or more shallow until the balance is restored. While these are subconscious processes, our brain also has the power to control our breathing depth and rate. So be careful to not breathe too rapidly or deeply for too long because you're at risk for hyperventilation. The process of maintaining this balance is called homeostasis. Okay, let's take another look. So our body encounters some kind of stimulus, whether stress, exercise, illness, or a deep emotion. The receptors detect these changes and send signals to the brain to alter our breathing rate. 2 areas in our brainstem, the medulla and the pons, send signals through both the dorsal and ventral pathways, which reaches our breathing muscles, the scalenes, intercostals, and diaphragm to change the depth and rate of our breathing. Higher brain centers can also change the depth and rate of our breathing through conscious thought. The scalenes attach to our upper ribs and our neck, our intercostals are in between our ribs, and the diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle at the base of our rib cage. There are 2 main types of breathing, through your chest or through your abdomen. When we breathe through our chest, we mostly use our scalene muscles in our neck. When we breathe through our abdomen, we properly use our diaphragm and intercostal muscles. Overusing our neck muscles can lead to neck pain. Imagine, it's like doing 23,000 shoulder shrugs a day. You can see the diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity. As the diaphragm contracts during quiet breathing, the contraction actually lowers the diaphragm around 1.5 centimeters. And then during deep breathing, the muscle lowers anywhere from 6.5 to 10 centimeters. And as the diaphragm drops down, it meets the resistance of the abdominal cavity organs. The ribs expand, increasing the thoracic cavity volume, increasing the negative pressure in the lungs to draw air in. The reverse happens during an exhale. So how does breathing work? Well, imagine that this bottle is you, and the bottle is the rib cage, the bottom bag, our diaphragm, and the inside bag, our lungs. When we breathe in and inhale, the diaphragm drops and the bag inside inflates with air. When we exhale, the diaphragm recoils upward and the bag deflates with air. This is a negative pressure gradient system. So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Properly using our diaphragm can reduce our stress and anxiety, reduce muscle tension and neck pain, improve postural control, enhance our digestive system, boost our immune system, optimize sleeping, and improve our focus and attention. I am so excited to teach you these specific exercises to strengthen and utilize your diaphragm and enhance your breathing in Part 2. Part 3 will cover the benefits to diaphragmatic breathing. And we will conclude in Part 4 with a relaxing meditation. Thank you so much for listening. Subscribe to my channel and feel free to leave comments below. I would love to hear from you.